Hi, so this video will be talking about the equal sign. To start off, what does it actually mean? The equal sign is a symbol used to show something is equal to or the same as something else. So in maths, we would say 1 plus 1 equals 2. Here the equal sign is saying that 1 plus 1 has the same value as the number 2. Although 1 plus 1 does not physically look like number 2, it has the same value. It has equal value. And now this is important. The terminology same value or equal value. This helps children to understand that the equal sign is something to show the relationship between the two sides, rather than something operational where it's saying 1 plus 1 equals, and you write the number down simply. So we must ensure that the equation is balanced, which pretty much means having the same value. So if we use a different example, 5 times 10 equals what times 2? Now here in this equation, there is a blank space. This is something that stage 3 children are capable of doing. However, if children do not understand the equal sign as something expressing the relationship between the two, and they don't see that there is a relationship between the two, that is where the misconception occurs. So the misconception in this example would be something like this. 5 times 10 equals 50. The struggling children would get this right. 5 times 10 equals 50. Now what they would do here is, instead of trying to work out what the missing number is, they would write the answer of this in this space. So what they would do is they would directly bring the times 2 over, and they would do 50 times 2, which equals 100. And they would simply write this answer in here like this. If we keep going with this equation and we simplify it, that would mean 50 equals 100 times 2, 200. 50 equals 200. That is not right. That is not a true equation. And if we take on a more visual approach, and if we use x, for example, we can demonstrate that this equation can be written like this. 50 is equal to or the same value as 5 times 10. And for example, you can even do 5 times 10 equals, and if we just work out the right answer of this, it would be 5 times 10, which is 50, 25 times 2. That is essentially saying 50 equals 50. Hence why this is what you call a true equation.